Today we are going to show the action words. Action words, present continuous tense, present simple plus ing.
Am teaching. I am teaching grammar. Are listening. Students are listening the grammar. The boy is going out. Is walking. He is walking towards the exit. He is coming into the class. Is coming. He is coming into the class. Is coloring. Charanya is coloring the picture. Is thinking. Maulika is thinking something. She is thinking something deeply. He is jumping. He is jumping. Are looking. Boys are looking at him. Are chatting. Sailu and Pujita are chatting. Is standing. Neerja is standing in the class. Is shaking. He is shaking the water bottle.
నవ్వులం పువ్వులం ఎగిరేటి గువ్వలం నీలాల నింగిలో తారలం మేము నీలాల నింగిలో తారలం.
Is crying. Ramya is crying. Is carrying. This girl is carrying her lunch bag. Is eating. Ahmadullah is eating snacks.
The animals were just beginning the work for man. There was a camel and he
Is bending. He is bending the scale. Is drawing. Ashwant is drawing a picture. Is clapping. Rajesh is clapping. Is sleeping. This boy is sleeping in the class. Is climbing. He is climbing the window. Are fighting. They are fighting in the class. Is turning. He is turning the pages. Manideep is opening the notebook. Is combing. Prakash is combing his hair. Sharpening. He is sharpening the pencil. Is erasing. Kirtana is erasing the picture. Is writing. Divya is writing her notes. Is sitting. Hansika is sitting on the bench. Is closing. He is closing the notebook. Is arranging. He is arranging the bags properly. Is kicking. This boy is kicking the ball. Is throwing. Asmin is throwing a ball. She is catching the ball. Is rubbing. This girl is rubbing the bird. Is praying. Varsha is praying to God. Is drinking. She is drinking water. Is smiling. Jayshree is smiling at me.
How is our video? We also enjoyed a lot. This present continuous tense.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.